Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your password in the Sephora app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Sephora app and go to your profile on the bottom right corner. Then you scroll down and here you will have this option, change password. Tap on it. You will give your actual password and your new password. After you are ready, then you have to tap on save and continue. And after you saved and continued, you will have this other password. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one.